How to see old Google Maps street views. First of all, open Google Maps in your browser. Then make sure you are signed into your Google Maps. Now, once inside your Google Map, all you have to do is enter the address or location in the search address bar. You can enter any location. Here I'm typing down the California for now. After you do so, you can see there is a image icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once in the street option, simply click on the photo image at the bottom right corner with the past images, and here it is. You can do same with other locations as well, such as for now we are in Los Angeles. Then tap on the image icon at the bottom right corner. You can simply move it using your mouse or keypad. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.